In this tutorial, we'll be having a quick look at StreamAlive's app for Zoom and how you can create a poll, a word cloud, or spin a wheel in a matter of a few minutes. Let's dive into it. To install StreamAlive's app for Zoom, click on Apps, then click on Add Apps and search for StreamAlive. Next to the StreamAlive listing, click on Get and then Add. You'll then be asked to go through the app's permissions and terms and conditions. Click on Allow. This will then take you to the login or sign up page. Let me just show you quickly how you can access the app again. By going back to your apps, you'll find it listed there. Click on it to open. Now log in with your StreamAlive account. However, if you do not have one yet, click on the sign up button. Once you have your StreamAlive account ready, log in to continue. Once you're logged in, you'll then be asked to authorize StreamAlive to have access to your Zoom account. This will help with a more seamless experience by allowing StreamAlive to easily connect to your Zoom meetings, your Zoom webinars, or your Zoom events, or also help pull in pre-scheduled meetings to connect to. To find out more, go to our help desk at help.streamalive.com. Now, once you've authorized, you'll then be asked to decide what meeting you want to connect to. Do you want to connect to a new meeting, a pre-scheduled meeting, or would you like to manually enter a meeting or webinar link? Once you've decided, click on Continue. You can now decide between running a presentation that you have previously created on StreamAlive or quick interactions. These are impromptu interactions that you can create on the go. Let's continue with a power poll. Now click on Present and Allow. Once a Zoom session has been created, the StreamAlive app will open on the right-hand side, saying that the StreamAlive bot will connect soon. If you've previously authorized StreamAlive to have access to your Zoom account, the bot should join normally. If not, you have to admit it through the waiting room. Now that the bot has joined, let us resize the app interface to have a clearer view. You can now start editing your power poll. Let's enter the heading or prompt as "How are you feeling today?" with the options as good, bad, and okay. You can also configure your poll settings, such as allowing multiple responses and also choosing the theme. Click on Go when ready. Now that your interaction is active, all you have to do is share this screen with your audience by using the Share This Screen button and then clicking on Allow. Once the screen is shared, ask your audience to participate by typing in their responses in the chat. As you can see here, the answers are being picked up instantly. With that, you've learned how to connect StreamAlive to your Zoom session. If you want to create more interactions, you can go to the plus new interaction button on the top left corner and then select the next interaction that you want to run. Let's go for Wonder Words or the word cloud, and let's ask the same question, how are you feeling today? But let's see it visualized as a word cloud. You can also configure the settings and decide on a theme, and click on Go when ready. Once the interaction is active, ask your audience to participate by typing in their responses in the chat. To learn more about how to use a presentation live screen or the screen you're currently seeing right now, refer to our help documentation at help.streamalive.com.